and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today when y'all are seeing it, it's going to be Thursday, August the 31st of 2023, and I'm coming at you guys with a crazy awesome Walmart deals video for this Thursday. Guys, we have some great deals. I'm really excited. We have a new moneymaker that popped up, some really awesome new deals that popped up, just some awesome resets as well that are still available. It's a pretty nice time to come and coupon at Walmart. Always double check your account before buying. Ugh, rebates are just so finicky and they come and go so quick and things change so quick. So just triple check that your rebates are the same amount as I'm saying. Like literally guys, in the time I was filming this, like in the store, so much stuff changed. That just shows you how quick these things can change. So always just check them for yourself to make sure you still have the rebate amounts. Rest assured, if I knew they would change, I would totally let you guys know, but I have no way of being able to tell. So just triple check your rebates. There is a printable breakdown in the description. You guys can print that out, bring it with you in the store, put it on your phone, whatever you need to do that is available. Make sure to watch the video. That's what the details are, but that's available. And then also, if you're not already signed up for these great rebate apps, go ahead and get signed up. I'll have all my referrals in the description, and it's much appreciated. All right, guys, let's just dive right into our Walmart deals this Thursday. Awesome moneymaker on the Ice Mountain Jugs. These guys at Walmart are $1.74. We have a rebate on Swag Bucks, Inbox Dollars, and Tada. They have $5 back on 3. If you do it on my points, it's actually worth a little more. It's worth $5.35 back when you buy 3. So you could actually get these for free plus a 13-cent moneymaker, which is such a great deal. All right, so our deal got even better on the Tasty Bite Protein Bowls. They're $3.48 at the lovely Walmart. There is a new $1 rebate on Ibotta for Tasty Bite products. And there is a rebate on Shopkick for $2.04 back, 510 kicks, just making them 44 cents. So that's a pretty good... Crazy awesome Pine Sol deal at Walmart. Now this one's really weird because the price actually is varying a little bit between locations. Literally 2 locations within like 5 miles of each other. One store was $2.58 and then the other store was $1.97. So that's really bizarre. Hopefully you can find it for $1.97. Shopkick does have 335 kicks back, so it just makes it $1.40, which is a really great deal for the Pine Sol. I mean, even if it is $2.58, that's still a really good deal, but at 57 cents, that's crazy. So great one. Really nice deal on some razors at Walmart. So the Bic Flex 3 razors are $4.97. $4 rebate over on ShopMe'em, or you could print the $4 coupon from coupons.com. 97 cents. That's a great deal for razors. All right, so a really nice deal on the Nestle Splash Waters. These guys are $2.50 each. There's an awesome coupon on coupons.com, or you can submit on the ShopMe'em app for $2.25 back on 2. This actually just makes these guys like $2.75 for both. So that's a really great price. Nice little deal here on the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. So Walmart sells these for $3.24. We have a really nice rebate over on Ibotta for $4 back on 2 Mr. Clean products. So it'll actually just make this $1.24 per pack or $2.48 for both. Guys, that's an awesome deal. So great one to grab. Oh my gosh, guys, we have a deal on dog food. So it's on the Nutro dog food, the 12-pack. Walmart sells this for $22.96. We have a crazy awesome double stack going on. Now this was a little bit better. Actually, not a little bit, quite a bit better. Originally there was a Fetch Rewards rebate, but it ended up getting removed. So that's a bummer, but it's still a great deal. Thank you to one of my awesome subscribers, Bree, for sending me a DM on Instagram about this, but it's $22.96. We have a rebate on Ibotta for $10 back, and then there is a manufacturer's rebate. You can get back either your PayPal or Venmo. I will have the link to that in the description. If you spend $20 on participating pet products, and it does include the Nutro, you get $10 back. So that's an awesome deal, and you're spending $22.96, so that can get you the $10 back, making it just $2.96 for this super expensive dog food. That is such a great deal to grab right now. All right, so super awesome freebie deal on some deodorant at Walmart. Now make sure you are getting the right ones because the coupon is for the Degree Motion Sense variety. They're $4.98 over here at Walmart. We do have a coupon for $1.50 off in the 827 save insert. So use that, you're gonna pay $3.48. Shopkick has a crazy awesome rebate. for 870 kicks back. That's $348 right on back, making this totally free, which is awesome. We also have an awesome deal for the spray deodorants. Now for the Motion Sense sticks there, that's only one rebate. But for the sprays, Shopkick has a rebate for the men's and the women's. So you actually can get one of each if you have enough coupons. So we have the same $1.50 off coupon that is valid for the sprays. So you'll pay $4.28, but Shopkick has a crazy awesome rebate. You're going to get back $3.80. That's 950 kicks, just making them 48 cents, which is a crazy great deal for the deodorant spray. Again, though, you have to make sure it is a Motion Sense spray as well, because not all of these say Motion Sense. So make sure the one you get actually is a Motion Sense deodorant. All right, so I talked about this one quite a bit, but it did recently change in value, the Airheads Extremes. This is the 3-ounce pack by the registers. They are $1.82. And we have a rebate on Shopkick for $1.48 back, 370 kicks, making these just 34 cents. So not too bad of a deal. We also still have our deal on these Airheads Extreme belts, the 4.5 ounce. These are in the candy, so they're $1.97. Shopkick has that same rebate for 370 kicks back. That is $1.48, making these 49 cents. So really nice deal. All right, so if your Walmart sells the Goya, the little cans of Goya tomato sauce, this one doesn't carry it, but they are as low as 73 cents each, and there is a rebate on Ibotta for 15 cents back. So it would just make it 58 cents, which is a really nice deal for the little Goya sauce. So awesome. Really nice deal on the 4 packs of the Kemp's cottage cheese here. They are $2.98 currently on a rollback at Walmart. There's a $2 rebate over on Ibotta, so just make it 98 cents. This is a really, really, really nice deal. Okay, so really nice deal on the dry eye relief warm eye masks. These are back in the eye drop section. These guys are $8.96 at Walmart. There is a triple stack, so we have a rebate on Ibotta for $1.75 back. And then Shopkick has 960 kicks back between Bite and Scans. That's $384 back. And then Fetch has 1,500 points, which is worth $1.07 with Walmart, and a $5 gift card. So that's what I counted as. So just end up making this $2.30, which is a pretty awesome deal for the dry eye relief.